Is being a virtual assistant just doing odd jobs online? Nope. Virtual assistant work is more than just ticking boxes with checklists. It's a service. And when you start treating it like a service, you stop sounding like a complete beginner and start sounding like a professional. So when you start, usually your habit is saying, I can help with emails or I can help with social media. Once you start introducing yourself like, I provide email management and social media support services, everything changes. They see you as like a professional who's proficient at what you do. And when you start saying those things, and focusing on offering your services, clients start looking at you as a professional, not just an assistant. You are a professional who's offering something really valuable. Now let's try to practice. Starting now, start talking about your services. Okay, stop talking about your tasks. Start talking about your services. I provide email management services, calendar management services, I provide social media management services, or funnel creation services, website creation, whatever it is, or I provide design. This small shift makes you sound more professional. So, is virtual assistant work just like being an office secretary online? Or is it something bigger? The truth is, VA work is its own industry. It's not just admin tasks. It's a service-based business where you choose what to offer, who to help, and how to deliver it. Let's break it down. In Lesson 1, we uncovered the truth about VA tasks and tools. In Lesson 2, we explored the differences between VAs and BPOs. Now in Lesson 3, we'll zoom in on what kind of service VA work really is so you can explain it clearly to clients, friends, and even yourself. The nature of VA work. 1. Service-based business. You are offering skills and time as a service. 2. Flexible and remote. Work from anywhere, often asynchronously. 3. Personalized to client needs. Every VA chooses a set of services, social media, admin, e-commerce, customer support, etc. 4th, entrepreneurial path. You're not just an employee, you're running your own small business. VA work is a mix of freelance flexibility and professional service delivery. Think of yourself as both a helper and a business owner. Now that you see VA work as a real service industry, let's put this into practice by defining exactly what kind of VA service you want to offer. Download the Profile Description and Services Builder document. Attached, use the provided prompts to write your VA service menu, list, e.g. admin, social media data entry. Draft a short description of your VA services that you can use in your portfolio or online profile. Share your hashtag VA Launchpad services draft in the group. This is your first step toward positioning yourself as a professional service provider.